Alright, we just went out for a bash, and I've done something to the Fury. It has completely stopped working. From what I can see, I have destroyed the motor, and I have no idea how. Oh yeah, no, that's completely, like, just gone entirely. Oh god, feel how hot this heatsink is.
Whoa, it's pretty warm. I reckon.
Oh, gee, yeah, no, feel the motor.
Whoa.
Yeah, that is right dead. How the hell did it even do that?
Excessive force.
It's completely detached. That's awesome. Alright, well, stay tuned for a rebuild. Okay, now we're going to put new motor back into Project Fury. So this is the motor I took out of the Stealth. Don't know when that video went up, but that was the car turned into a brushless. So just repurposed this old brushed motor. Completely ruined the motor that was in Project Fury. We have no idea how that even happened, but Bert's got that motor now, so he'll smash it on his channel, or he'll do something with it on his channel. So that's with him now. I'll just get this pinion on there. Alright, so placing the engines is the same process for every single one of these cars, and on the bright side now I have a spare ESC, so I'm going to chuck that ESC into another car, if it ever needs one, of course. Alright, pushes back on when I've put this motor in, because I've shown you motor replacements before and everything. So, okay, so Project Fury's fixed yet again. I was considering upgrading this car to a brushless, but I just go through motors way too fast on this one, because this is my hardest basher that I have out of all of them. Like, despite the fact this is one of my cheapest cars, it's the one I bash the most. Like, I need to get some new shock towers for it. I just replaced the suspension on it, like, and now I've had to replace yet another motor. So don't think I'll be upgrading this one to a brushless until I can get a metal chassis for it, like I did with the monster truck, just to give it a bit more rigidity and stuff. I might upgrade the shocks on the front and back to something a little bit beefier, but it's called Project Fury for a reason, because this is my longest ongoing project car, where I'm constantly going to be changing and swapping and upgrading. These are just quick sort of more update videos. Sorry about that. I'll get some more driving videos out soon. Just have a lot of stuff to repair at the moment. But I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Remember to like and subscribe.